Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm working on 2009 Ford E150 half-ton van with a 4.6 liter automatic two-wheel drive, and the customer complained that the vehicle is hard sometimes to bring out of park. Okay, so turn the key on with the foot on the brake pedal and try to remove it from park, and the vehicle stay in park. So I already checked the fuses are fine, and also I checked the stub lights and they didn't work. I checked the power, and randomly, you wiggle the brake light switch and it'll start working. So we have a bad brake light switch, so we're going to replace that. I hope you liked the video. So here on the brake pedal is where you are going to see the brake light switch is right here. Let me turn the light on here. There it is. And it's pretty straightforward. One of the main things that I see with this type of switch is that the switch inside is starting to get stuck. Even if it moves, the inside of the switch is staying in one position. So that's why it doesn't, turn the lights on or release the shifter. So what we're gonna do here, you are going to grab the switch and turn it kind of clockwise. Let me see. Never mind. Clockwise. Clockwise. It's gonna come out. Now here. Yeah, there it is. Let me remove this over here. So you're gonna press right here, and it's gonna allow you to press it and release it. As you can see, there's just a lot of let me do something really quick. Got my keys here. Right there, stuck. They're stuck. Yeah. That's not good. So we are going to replace the switch for a new one. It's the old one. This one goes nice and smooth. This one kind of stuck in some areas. So this is the part number that I'm using right here. I hope this helps. And again, I'm not sponsored by Duralast or AutoZone, but thanks again for all my friends from AutoZone, because they were able to bring me the part. I appreciate all the help, guys, as usual. I hope you're having a great day over there. Okay, so now we're gonna install switch, install the switch. Now we're gonna go counterclockwise. There you go. And it's gonna release and I'm gonna extend. Now we have to that's it. That's how you replace the brake light switch. Now I gotta go get the keys to make sure it comes out of park. Got the key. So when you depress the brake pedal, you should hear that the solenoid here releasing the shifter. So I'm gonna look at this, see if I can fix all the extra play, because that's not good. But every time that you do right here, you should be able to feel it around here. Now, with the key off, you can now hear it. Alright, perfect. So far we have fixed that issue. The next thing that I gotta do, I'm going to look at the shifter and see if I can tighten that up. Sometimes you have to change some bushing, so sometimes you have 2 bolts on the back that come loose. I'm gonna see what it is and go from there. I hope you find value in the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below. Share the video and make it a great day. And as usual, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.